Hi, Anthony here. This is one in a series of videos in which I'm going to show you how to build your own website in WordPress. In the description section, you'll find a link to the playlist of videos in which I will walk you through the process step by step. So the first thing you'll need is a domain name. In this example, I'll be using ajgodino.com. You'll also need web hosting, which essentially hosts the content on your website. I got both my domain name and hosting through Bluehost. Now, the type of hosting you require will depend on the type of website you're creating. Bluehost has irregular flash sales, so check the link in the description section. So once you have a domain name and web hosting, you will need to install WordPress, which is what I'll show you in the next video. This, of course, was just an introduction video, but hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and thanks for watching.